Hey guys, welcome back to Wix It Fix It Garage. I built a new style induction heater I think y'all gonna like. As you can see, I used the IRFZ44N MOSFET. It's a 55 volt, 49 amp, and everything else is here on this toroid coil. I end up using a 50 UH, but you can use a 40 to 200. I used the 214 gauge. I didn't have no 18 gauge. And I made it about 1 inch diameter. I think that was a 7-turn. The capacitor, of course, the 033 UF, 6 AC, 12 DC. Anyway, I think y'all gonna like it. It turned out really well, and I got a little surprise for you when I was playing with, but I didn't think it worked, but it did. But here's stuff you'll need, and the heat sinks. I don't know what I've done with them. I need something like this, a couple of them. You won't need these, and just as long as you make sure these don't touch. But if you plan on putting these together, use an insulator of some kind. Anyway, give me a second and I'll set that up. Alright. As you can see, this is kind of an unusual one, the way I built it, but it works really well. I only use one capacitor. Of course, these things are rated at 1200 volt DC, so they hold the power. You can see where I put my diodes, and these are fast recovery diodes. Here are the black ones, which goes from the gate. See, that's the gate to the drain to the gate. Get it right in a minute. And you just reverse it going this way. And the same with the Zener diodes, which are 12 volts. You can actually put them together if you wanted to, but I just done it that way where you can see it better. Then these are 10K resistors, and on each side, which goes to the collector to the gate on each side. And these, I don't even think I put them on there. That's what I forgot. These are 330 ohm resistors. I forgot to put them on that page, but I will. Which goes to the fast recoveries on the positive side. And this is a 50 UH toroid coil, which smooths out the transition. It works really well at 5 amps, 12 volt. It gets hot pretty fast. It's already red. But yeah, it works well. And this nail is almost too skinny for this. But it is it's red. It's just, I don't know why these kind of metal doesn't show the redness till you get it red hot. You can see it's hot. see if this one will work. I don't know, that might be too little. Yeah, it's already red. I guess I could turn up that power. Let me see what it'll do. I got it at 12 volt, 5 amp. I'm sure it would hold, it should hold 10 amp, I think is what I got it set for, but I like to make them to where they'll work the lowest voltage where a lot of people can use them if you don't have access to a lot of voltage. Let's try this on this big one. Well, that thing's red, but this metal just weird. It turns white. It gets so hot. You can see it better on these. And you can see how fast it turns. It depends on what kind of metal it is. It's still not using over 5 amps. Well, it works good. Anyway, let me see, I'll cut that off. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the oscilloscope here in a second. Alright, we're gonna hook up this oscilloscope, see how that shows on there, see what the sine wave is on it. Get it over there. See, force that. There we go. You can see that it's actually really good. It's got a smooth frequency and everything. Sine wave's perfect. Well, that works good. I'm going to show you this part here. This other thing I made was crazy. I was just playing with this. I didn't think it would work, but it does. Let me unhook this one. I guess I better cut that off. But this thing's a crazy looking contraption. I found them somewhere. I just added them up, put them on there. I didn't think it would work, but it actually works really well. Let's see, how many amps did I have that on? I don't think this will hold over 5 amps. I definitely don't want to blow it up. Yeah, let me go back down to 5. Alright. Sure y'all can see that. Move this out of the way. You can see how fast this one works. With those weird little capacitors on there, it's already solid red. Let's see if this will work. This is a smaller one. It usually works better on these. Yeah, it's getting red. You can see that it was red. It works good. I didn't think it would work that good. The way it's made is crazy. Let's see. Remember which ones? That's IRFZ44N resistors in MOSFETs. Anyway, I just put some 10K resistors there, and these are 500 volt capacitors, DC capacitors. I figured I tried it, works really well. Surprised me. Thought y'all might like that as a little surprise one. But that one there is a really good design. It don't get hot. The capacitor gets to about 85 or maybe 90 Fahrenheit. Everything else stays cool. It works really well. Y'all want to make one? Let's see. What did I? Hold on a minute. Let's turn it around where y'all can see it all the way around. Yeah, I was going to show you this, if that'll help you. Yeah, I put the 330 ohms on this one. I just forgot to put them on this one over there. That's the two right here. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all like that one. It's a really good design. It works well, and I think it'll be durable. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.